We are preparing today my favorite treat. It's roasted pepper and boiled egg. We are cutting the sweet pepper in slices. You can even cut them in four. So you take one sweet pepper and you roughly cut your sweet pepper in big slice if you wish to. Personally, I like my sweet pepper to be crunchy slice. It's a very delicious blend of olive oil and balsamic vinegar, roasted sweet pepper, and what really make this recipe is a whole combination of garlic, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar. We are adding the olive oil, drizzling olive oil on the sweet pepper so they do not burn in the oven. So we put them for 5 minutes in the oven at 180 degrees. Then you mix to distribute the olive oil on the sweet pepper, and you change the setting of your oven to grill mode so they can start grilling. The 5 minutes was to enable the sweet pepper to be soft. Now we are grilling them. We have added salt and mix. So after 10 minutes where we have opened the oven and mix again so that they do not burn to crisps, we have our sweet pepper roasted and grilled. So 5 minutes on the fan at 180 degrees and 10 minutes 5 you open the oven, and then 10 minutes on the grill. The warm olive oil mixed with the fresh olive oil drizzle on the roasted sweet pepper is a match made in heaven. We add black pepper and we add salt. We add balsamic vinegar. To that we add grated garlic. We are adding parsley. I didn't add my knife next to me, so I had to crush them, but it's better if you finely cut your parsley. I made a video on boiling eggs in the air fryer, so you can watch this video if you want to boil your egg very quickly and efficiently without water in the air fryer. And now we have our sweet pepper, roasted and grilled sweet pepper with boiled egg. I love this combination: olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and garlic. I can finish this plate in less than 5 minutes. I had to take my time to show you a video, but personally I can obliterate this. Thank you for watching my video. I'm hoping to see you for the next video.